My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik Sir. In the previous classes, we have taken already 7 units in connection with the pronoun series meant for basic to advanced students. Here in this segment, after teaching 7 units in connection with the pronoun series, okay, I am going to test your understanding, I mean comprehension in this correction. Yes, this is unit 8 of pronoun series and the test on pronoun, that is first test. There are 20 questions. Yes, there are 20 questions. You have to answer the questions as instructed. It means instructions have been given. I will give you the correct answer with the correct explanation at the end of the test, not at the end of each question. Okay, and it is therefore your duty to understand the questions first and side by side try your best to give the answer. I will help you at the end of this test. Okay. My aunt invited my sister and blank to the dinner. Here in bracket we have two words. One is I and the second is me. Okay. Now come to the second question. The lady blank you met at my house is my grandma. Here there are 3 words. You see, whose, whom, who. Okay. Now come to the question number 3. Blank members quarreled among one another. Within the bracket there are 2 words. One is both and other is all. Number 4. Rahul will take half an hour to finish his homework. Begin this sentence with it. Okay. Now come to question number 5. To advise others is very easy. Begin with it. Next, number 6. One must respect his parents and teachers. Here there is a wrong word and it is for you to correct the error. Okay. Now see the next, number 7. All the members blamed each other. Here we have a mistake in this sentence and it is your duty to correct the error. Okay. Now in the case of question number 8, I, you and he are classmates. Okay. It is also for you to find out the error and correct it. Okay. Now question number 9. Is this your bag? Rewrite using a possessive pronoun. Question number 10. Yes. Here we find the First World War began in 1914. Begin this sentence using it. Number 11. The roads of Delhi are narrower than the roads of New Delhi. Replace the underlined word with a pronoun. Question number 12. All were drowned in the sea. Write the type of pronoun here. Next, question number 13. Honey purifies blood and grapes produce blood. Okay. Replace the underlined word with a pronoun. Here underlined word is blood and we have to replace it and use a pronoun. Okay. Question number 14. Thankfully blank got away in time. Everybody, nobody, anybody. You have to write the correct answer out of the 3. Number 15. They don't like me coming here. Correct the error. Here there is a mistake and you have to find out the error and correct it. Next, everybody knows that man is mota. Begin with it. Now come to question number 17. He has passed the exam. This is very surprising. Okay, here there are two simple sentences, and you have to join beginning with the it. Question number 18. It is I who is responsible for such a mistake. Here there is an error, you have to correct it. Okay, next number 19. He himself has repaired the bicycle. Indicate the type of pronoun. The underlined word is himself. Question number 20. Is blank anyone inside? Here within bracket there is it, and there you have to use the suitable pronoun. Okay, so these are 20 questions are here. It is your duty now to answer. I will now help you in indicating the right answer and explaining it properly. First question is, my aunt invited my sister and a blank to the dinner. Okay, now see, I'm just going to solve these questions with the suitable explanations. Okay, how? Here, my aunt is the subject, invited whom? Yes, here object. Naturally, in this blank, we have to use me, because me is the another object of the verb invited. Yes, number 2. The lady blank you met at my house is my grandma. Here, within the bracket, there are 3 words, whom, and who. These are relative pronouns, and the lady is here, the noun phrase, and pronoun whom. The lady whom you met at my house is my grandma. Okay, so here we find whom is the relative pronoun, and the lady is the noun phrase and antecedent. Yes, whom keeps relationship with the lady, and therefore the right answer is whom. Question number 3. Blank members quarreled among one another. Here we have 2 pronouns, both and all. The key points is here, one another. Whenever there are more than 2 persons, definitely we use all. All is the indefinite pronoun, as we know, and here all will be the right answer. All members quarreled among one another. Yes, if we use both, then we have to use here each other. Okay, reciprocal pronoun. Now come to question number 4. Rahul will take half an hour to finish his homework. Begin with it. Then answer will be, it will take Rahul half an hour to finish his homework. Okay, yes, you see, it will take Rahul half an hour to finish his homework. This is the answer. Number 5. To advise others is very easy. It is very natural, and here begin with it. If we begin with it, definitely the answer will be here. It is. Then we have to, this is predicate part, we have to take the predicate part after it. Yes, it is very easy. It is very easy to advise others. Okay, so to advise others is very easy is equal to it is very easy to advise others. Question number 6. Yes, you see, one must respect his parents and teachers. Okay, this is a noble quality. Okay, correct the error. Here one error is there, and we have to find out the error. Whenever subject is one, that's why the correct answer will be once. One must respect one's parents and teachers. This is right answer. Here one's is a possessive determiner, okay, or determinative pronoun. Okay, now come to number 7. All the members blamed each other. Yes, each other here naturally the error. Here all is the subject, and that's why the correct answer is one another. Whenever the pronoun refers to two, then definitely we use each other. But more than two, then the reciprocal pronoun one another is used. Okay. Now come to the next. The question number 8. I, you, and he are classmates. Here the sentence is wrong. How? Because whenever we have more than two personal pronouns, in that case we have to use them in proper order of second person, then third person, then first person. Answer is be you, he, and I are classmates. This is the correct answer. Here you, second person, singular number. Yes, he, third person, singular number, and I, first person, singular number. Yes. Next, is this your bag? Rewrite using a possessive pronoun. Yes, here we find your is a determinative pronoun. Your determines bag. Okay. If we write this sentence using a possessive pronoun, then we find the answer is this bag yours. Here yours is the possessive pronoun. Question number 10. The First World War began in 1914. Okay. Here the instruction is begin with it. Here tense is began. Therefore in past tense. Yes, then it was in 1914. Yes, the First World War began. Yes, it was in 1914 the First World War began. Now come to question number 11. The roads of Old Delhi, yes, are narrower than the roads of New Delhi. Replace the underlined word with a pronoun. Then answer will be the roads of Old Delhi are narrower. Here roads, the roads plural, and therefore in this case than those of New Delhi. Okay. Here those demonstrative pronoun. Okay. This is the right answer. Next, all were drowned in the sea. Write the type of pronoun. Yes. Here all is the underlined pronoun, and the type is here indefinite pronoun. And now come to question number 13. Honey purifies blood, okay, and grapes produce blood. Replace the underlined word with a pronoun. Underlined word is blood, and that's why in this place we can use it, because here we find blood is uncountable noun and therefore singular, and it is the appropriate pronoun. Honey purifies blood and grapes produces it. Without repeating blood, we should use pronoun it. Question number 14. Thankfully got away in time. Here the answer is everybody, because here positive idea. Thankfully everybody got away in time. Now come to next. They didn't like me coming here. Yes, me is here incorrect. Me is the objective form of personal pronoun I. Here in the place of me we have to use my. They don't like my coming. Coming is here gerund. Okay, noun. My coming here. Now question number 16. Everybody knows that man is mortal. Yes, if we begin with et, then we have to make a passive sentence. Here, simple present, therefore, is plus past participle. It is known that man is mortal. This is correct answer. Everybody knows that man is mortal. It is in active voice, and if we convert it into passive, then we can use it at the beginning. It is known that man is mortal. This is universally true. Okay. Now come to next number 17. He has passed exam. This is very surprising. Okay. Join beginning with it. If we join both the sentences, we have to remove here this. It is very surprising that he has passed the exam. It is very surprising that he has passed the exam. Number 18. It is I who is responsible for such a mistake. Here we have to correct the error. Whenever antecedent is I and the relative pronoun who, yes, refers to the antecedent. Okay. But verb usually keeps relationship with I. Therefore, here is the wrong answer, and the right answer is am. It is I who am responsible for such a mistake. Okay. Number 19. He himself has repaired the bicycle. Indicate the type of pronoun. We have two types of self forms. We have already discussed. One is the reflexive form, another is the emphasizing form of personal pronoun. Okay. So here, whenever after the subject, self form is used to emphasize on the subject. In that case, we say it is emphasizing form of personal pronoun. Yes, here himself is emphasizing self form of personal pronoun. Okay, emphasizing, because here himself emphasizes on he. And last question, that is blank anyone inside? The right answer is there. There is used to indicate existence of anything, person. With this, I conclude this segment. My dear students, this is no doubt a very interesting test, which is very essential not only for your academic but also for a professional career. Okay. Hope you must have enjoyed this class and take interest. Go through this segment again and again. Try to understand it. If any doubt anywhere, you can just write me in feedback section. Wish you a happy and healthy day ahead. See you in the next segment with the second test on the pronoun. Till then, goodbye.